everybody, it's Weather with Jonathan here. And this video is a little bit different. We're just going to take the time to honor what happened in Rolling Fork, Mississippi Friday night. So we're going to create a documentary of what happened during the EF4 tornado. So this is a before and after. This satellite imagery was taken before the tornado hit Rolling Fork. I believe this was taken 3 days before. You can see everything's nice and green. You got the trees blooming. You got the fields all green. You got the crops all nice and green. You got a bunch of leaves on the trees. You got all kinds of stuff. But then watch what happens. Friday night, and this was taken Saturday morning, day after the tornado, and you can clearly see the damage. I mean, you can clearly see the tornado's path in this right here. Now, it's probably not best drawn, but I think you guys get the idea. This is a very large tornado, and this almost completely obliterated farms and stuff. I mean, like, look, I mean, the trees, they're completely deskinned. It's insane, and you can see just debris everywhere up here, and you can see homes obliterated, stores destroyed. I mean, look at these homes right there, and I do not know where it is on this picture, but somewhere in Rolling Fork they actually had a water tower that was somehow bent over, crushed, and then and then it was split in half. So here is the water tower right here in this picture. That's the water tower right there. You can see right there. It's fallen down. It's crushed. It's completely snapped in half. So you can see right there, the water tower. It's absolutely insane. So let's also take some back-to-back pictures. This is an Ace Hardware store and the Service Lumber Company. This was it before the tornado, and then, believe it or not, this was after the tornado. And also, this picture actually is in my video. It's called "The Damage and the Destruction Left Behind by the Rolling Fork EF4 Tornado." It's absolutely insane. I mean, you can see up and down here. I mean, it's just rubble. You can see all these cars rushing to help people and to tell people what happened. It's crazy. Then these are quite a couple back-to-back pictures. And just keep in mind, I do not know what this building is, but you can probably tell by its look it's very sturdy and that it's made out of brick. If you can see it enough. And then in the next picture, it's just piles of brick and it's destroyed. There's wood everywhere. Windows are blown out. The door windows are even blown out. The pillars are gone. The roof's gone. It's absolutely insane. Now, taking a look at our next picture here. This is, I believe this is a dentist. I do not know what it is, but I believe it's a dentist or something like that. And you can see the home was completely wiped off its foundation. There's just bricks left, and trees were just shredded. There's piles of rubble everywhere. There's cars everywhere. There's people everywhere looking through the rubble to help people. It is absolutely insane. And then our next picture is even more insane because if you see the tree down there, I don't know 100% what these two things are next to it. But if I am correct, I think that might be part of a water tower. I do not know, but I think it could be. You can see before the trees are just beautiful, and everything's beautiful and peaceful and calm. And then after the tornado, everything is gone. It's just destroyed. And look at that house. You can clearly see part of the home is completely destroyed. And same with that little home right here. I think that's a home, but I don't also think at the same time. And this is a Subway and another restaurant after the tornado. It's just complete rubble. It's bricks, wood, cars, metal, roof shingles. It's stone, it's slabs, it's all kinds of stuff. It's just completely destroyed. And if you guys look closely, I don't know 100% what I'm seeing, but if I'm correct, this actually could be a tire from a car, which is insane. It's just absolutely insane. And then this was the reflectivity as the rolling fork tornado hit. You can clearly see that supercell right here. You can see rolling fork right here. You can see the debris ball clearly right there, that little pink area. Can see how intense the velocity is right here. I mean, look at the debris. I mean, there's a ton of debris, and you can already see back here, it's already starting to take a shape of a debris fallout. That is exactly what happened. I believe over Belzoni. And then this tornado continued to the north and hit Silver City. It was insane. So thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I'll see you in my next one tomorrow.